Hi all, so hope you are doing good. So today we are going to discuss something about Ajax. So what is Ajax? Okay, so what we do with Ajax? What are the benefits with Ajax? So we'll discuss in our session. So the same way as of now we completed HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery and Bootstrap. So the next session we are going to see the complete Bootstrap project as well as a couple of examples with Ajax also. So first of all, what we are going to discuss in our session. So in our session, we are going to discuss something about Ajax. Okay, the same well as it's the same well as the new features or the benefits with Ajax. So what we do with more with Ajax. Okay, what we cannot do with Ajax. Okay, everything we'll see. The same way Ajax we can do in a two different formats. One is JavaScript, one is jQuery. We'll discuss. First of all, what is Ajax? So anybody knows something about Ajax? Yeah, that's good. Fine. No problem. We'll discuss. So Ajax, asynchronous, JavaScript, and XML. The full form of our Ajax is asynchronous, JavaScript, and XML. So the main beauty with our Ajax, without reloading the page, we can get the data. In a simple words, we can say, without reloading the page, we can get the data. What kind of data? Okay, so what kind of data? In the sense, if you see the live examples like a Google, okay, you see the live example of like a Google. So when you're searching something, so without reloading, you're getting the results, right? Without reloading, you're getting the results. So those kind of the stuff. The same way, we know, right? Google Map. Okay, so Google Map, in the sense, will just enter this source and destination. When you entered it, without reloading, the map moving into the corresponding location and source, so it's giving the path. So the stuff which reloading, okay, now we made it as without reloading. Okay, so those kind of the stuff we'll do by using Ajax. The simply itself it's specifying asynchronous, JavaScript and XML. Okay, so the main beauty with our Ajax, without reloading the page. So before going to that, so what is our general behavior of a web page? Okay, so what we do with our regular things we'll discuss, then we'll see. So what is the main purpose of Ajax? Okay, so let me open on, yeah, so see, so regular thing, so here we have our internet, this is our www. Okay, so regularly we connect with our system, we'll connect with the system. So in the system, send the request, yes, I need this website or I need this file, yes, web will connect it and web will respond it, web will respond. This is general behavior, this is the general behavior. The thing is, okay, when you are doing something like this, so what it will happen, so it need to be reload the page, so if you are reloading the page, what it happens, okay, so sometimes it may take some extra time based on internet speed. The same way, every time it need to be connect the server in form of HTTP, and the same way it need to get back to the result again with HTTP. Okay, somewhat lazy process, somewhat, okay, loading purpose it's happen here. So now I would like to reduce it, in the sense, at any cost I don't want to reload the page. Okay, in the sense, I would like to make it a rich web application. Okay, those kind of interesting stuff we'll do by using Ajax. Okay, by using Ajax. So regularly to connect our server, okay, we need different steps, so not with our Ajax. Okay, the simple thing, we need to initialize our XMLHttpRequest object. XMLHttpRequest object, we'll see some important stuff into our Ajax. Okay, so that is based on XMLHttpRequest object, so it will make us, okay, so it will make us to fast response. Okay, so before that, we'll see what is Ajax mean, asynchronous, JavaScript and XML. Okay, what does mean of asynchronous? So you might be knows this one. So if you know something about networking, you knows this asynchronous, synchronous. The one-to way, mean the one-to-one approach is called synchronous. In the sense, if you see here, so there is a one request sent here, the response will get it. One request and response. So when you're doing something like this, okay, in the sense, just assume we have one message, we send it, okay, then we'll get the response. If you see that, okay, so just assume we send one request, we are getting the response. So here, so just assume one request taking 1 minute, response taking 1 minute. In the sense, I'll need to wait for 2 minutes of the time to get the result. The same way, if I'm having a 10 requests and 10 response, it will take more time, right? It will take more time. In the sense, now I would like to reduce this time. Okay, so that's why what I will do, I will send all the requests on at a time. I will send the request all the time at a time. Let me open my website. For example, so for an example, just assume this is the one, our server, this is another server. So when you're doing a regular activities, okay, so what it happens, it will send the request, the same way we'll get the response. Okay, it will send the response, we'll get the response. Since if you see the, okay, so time, so if it is taking the, each one has 1 minute of the time, each one has 1 minute of the time. Okay, so in a sense, so I need to wait for 4 minutes of the time to get the proper response. So in the sense, assume, so this is the request, okay, this is the response. So for request I need to wait 1 minute and response I need to wait for 2 minutes. So to do this all the things we need to wait some time, right? And at the same time we need to spend some extra time. So now I don't want to do this all, I don't want to do this all. Then a simple way, I will send the request, okay, in the sense at a time I will send all the requests. Okay, so at a time, okay, I will send all the requests. In the sense it will take only 1 minute. The same way, at a time I will get all the responses. Okay, in a sense again it will take 1 minute of the time. So the total thing is, it will complete the data or complete the request in a 2 minutes. Okay, it complete in a 2 minutes. So that's what we call asynchronous. That's what we call asynchronous, rather than waiting the, okay, response. At a time I will send all the requests, so at a time I will get all the response. If something has happened, some request get fail, okay, then again it will send to that. But the thing is, when you're doing with asynchronous, one-to-one approach, yes, when we send the request, then we'll get the response. So once you got the response, then only it will go pass to the next request. Since taking time, right? Okay, to reduce this all, we'll use to go with Ajax. The name itself is specifying asynchronous, JavaScript and XML. Okay, so in a sense, so in an asynchronous format, by using JavaScript we can call the XML data. Not only XML data, we can call the text data or HTML data or JSON data. So we'll do the different exercises, okay, by using our Ajax. Fine. So in earlier, so we do with the Ajax by using the raw JavaScript, the same way jQuery as well, jQuery as well. So this is the general behavior of our Ajax. In the sense, so user will be here, mean browser, when you click on something, by using HTTP request, it will connect the database. The same way it will get the response, it will get the response. So in sense, so our JavaScript cannot connect the database, right, as we know. Okay, then how it connect in the sense, so by using Ajax, by using Ajax. Even though when you are using Ajax, so what we'll do with our JavaScript, we'll hit the server page, not directly the database. We'll hit the server page. In the web server means, so the server programming language, either it is a PHP or JSP something. So that's what we do by using our Ajax. So I hope as of now you had some idea about Ajax. Okay, so again I am repeating you, Ajax stands asynchronous JavaScript and XML. The main beauty with our Ajax, without reloading the page, I need to get the data. I need to get the data. So that's what main intention of our Ajax. Okay, fine. So in a where we used to go with our Ajax. Okay, for example, you might be experienced that one. For example, when you are filling some data, I mean when you are filling the username, okay, automatically it will show us yes, the name already has been taken. So you might be seeing this one on creating your email account or creating some usernames. Okay, so in that case, rather than reloading internally, it will connect the server, it will check the data whether it is eligible or available or not. So when you got it, yes. Okay, when you not got it, it will show the message. Okay, so that's what with our Ajax, the live examples. Okay, the live example, what are the advantages? So better interactivity, in the sense no need to wait, you'll get the immediate response, and impressive UX, in the sense, so when you're loading the page, the user need to be fail, right? I mean, yes, why it is loading, in the sense we are missing user experience, we are missing user experience, so now we need better. The same way, when you used to go with asynchronous, I mean the regular, okay, format, we need to send the request, we need to get the response. The same way, based on the response, it goes to the request. In the sense, these things will make to the burden on server, the burden on server. So we made it easy by using our Ajax. So when you used to go with this all the requests, the band will get, okay, huge, so we can also get reduced. Okay, so that's what benefit of our Ajax. Got it? Fine. So what Ajax cannot? Okay, what Ajax cannot? So see, when you used to go with our Ajax, so we are saying without reloading the data we'll get it, right? The problem with Ajax is, of course, we are getting the data without reloading, but thing is, so it won't change the URL. I mean, so for an example, www dot, okay, venkat.com, I've gone with some of the pages, but still it is to be, okay, same URL, in the sense, so when you used to go with SEO friendly, or when you make it, okay, bookmark to your site, okay, so you will still in a form of URL only, right? Okay, not with Ajax format. In the sense, when you used to go with Ajax, we cannot make it as SEO friendly, we cannot make it SEO friendly. That's what problem with our SEO. Okay, that's what depend on, okay, so that's what problem with our Ajax. Okay, the same way, so when you used to go with Ajax, okay, so network will be very fast, okay, we'll get the data, but when you refresh the page, again it goes to the beginning, again when you refresh the page, again it goes to the beginning. So we'll see some of the examples, then you will get to know. Okay, so simple. So now when you want to do with Ajax with JavaScript, we'll discuss in a next video. Okay, as of now, what we discuss, what is Ajax, what we'll do with Ajax. Okay, so how to do the Ajax in the form of JavaScript and jQuery, we'll see in the next session. But as of now, we are familiar what we can do with Ajax, what we cannot do with Ajax, and live examples. Okay, hope you like this one. The same way we will see. Okay, in our next video we will see, so what we do with our Ajax by using JavaScript, so how it is easy whether you are going with a JavaScript or jQuery. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks.